Hello friends. If you are planning to new kitchen or renovating your old kitchen, this video will help. Today we are going to talk about the kitchen countertop design with prices in India. We will discuss the different types of kitchen countertops, their advantages and disadvantages, and latest designs and price per square foot in India, and finally which countertop is best for Indian kitchens. So watch this video till end. So friends, first, we know what is kitchen countertop. A kitchen countertop is a walking space for a kitchen where we use cut vegetables, cook the food, keep appliances like mixers, gas, stove, and microwave. In Indian kitchens, the countertop must be strong, heat resistant, water resistant, and easy to clean. Choosing the right countertop increases a kitchen life, beauty, and comfort. In fact, before selecting a kitchen countertop, remember these key points: budget, durability, maintenance, and heat and stain resistance, and match with the kitchen cabinets, Indian cooking styles like oil, spices, and heat. Now, let's see different types of kitchen countertop designs with prices. The first one is a granite kitchen countertop. This is the most popular kitchen countertop in India. The features like natural stone, very strong and durable, heat and scratch resistant, available in many colors. Its popular granite colors black, galaxy, and steel grey, Kashmir white, and tan brown. The price in India 80 rupees to 150 rupees per square feet. The premium granite will be 350 rupees per square feet. The pros is a long life, perfect for Indian cooking and low maintenance. One con is heavy material and joint visible is long slabs. Granite is best for budget friendly kitchens and long lasting kitchens. So friends, second one is a marble kitchen countertop. This marble gives to the luxury and elegant look. The features like smooth and shiny surface and natural patterns and premium appearance for kitchens. The price in India 150 rupees to 220 rupees per square feet. Italian marble is a 500 to 900 rupees per square feet. The pros is a beautiful and classic look and cool surface. Cons is the stains easily. It will be looking and needs regular maintenance, not ideal for heavy Indian cooking. Marble is the best for light use kitchens or luxury homes. So, friends, another one is a quartz kitchen countertop. Quartz is an engineered stone and very trendy nowadays. The features like uniform design, non-porous surface, and modern look. The price in India 250 rupees to 350 rupees per square feet. Pros is the stain resistant, easy to clean, and no sealing required. Cons is the it's slightly expensive, it's not fully heat resistant. Quartz is the perfect for modern modular kitchens. So friends, another one is a solid surface countertop. Solid surface countertop are made from the acrylic materials. The features like seamless joints, smooth finish, custom possible of shapes. The price in India 200 to 400 rupees per square feet. The prawns is modern appearance and repairable scratches, hygienic surface, and corn is can get damaged by high heat. It's not strong as granite. So, so friends, Kalepa or Chudapa stone countertop. This is widely used in traditional Indian kitchens. The price in India 60 rupees to 120 rupees per square feet. Pros is the very affordable and heat resistant. Cons is the limited colors and require regular oiling. These are best for low budget kitchens. Stainless steel countertop, it's mostly used in commercial kitchens but now trending in modern homes. Price in India 350 rupees to 450 rupees per square feet. This pros is highly hygienic and heat and water resistant. Cons is the scratches visible and industrial look. So friends, which countertop is the best for your kitchens? Best for Indian cooking is a granite countertop. Best for modern look is a quartz. And best for budget option is a Kadapa stone countertop. Best luxury look is a marble countertop. Best hygienic countertop is a stainless steel. Choosing according to the budget, uses, and design and preference. And maintenance tips: you just clean daily with mild soap, avoid to cutting directly on the countertop, use hot pans or vessels, and seal granite and marble once in a year. Avoid to the harsh chemicals. Now, kitchen countertop is long-term investment. Choosing the right materials will give to the better cooking experience, long life, beautiful kitchen look. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment below tell us which countertop do you like the most. And thank you for watching this video.